Welcome to Aviat Network's instructional video series. Today, we will demonstrate how to power up a WTM4000 radio terminal. The WTM4000 operates with an input voltage of plus 24 or minus 48 volts DC. There are two options for powering the WTM4000. One of them is via Power over Ethernet, and the other option is via direct DC. The WTM4000 is shipped with a pre-installed 6-pin power connector configured for PoE. For direct DC use, the connector will need to be modified or replaced. For Power over Ethernet applications, you will need a power injector. There are a couple of supported power injector options for the WTM4000. AC and DC, as well as high power options, are available. For best results, an outdoor-rated Category 5E Ethernet cable with shielded RJ45 connectors is required for PoE applications. For direct DC applications, a shielded outdoor-rated dual-conductor 16-gauge power cable is required. Additional items needed are UV-rated cable ties to secure the cable or cables to the cable glands. For direct DC applications, you will need some wire cutters and wire strippers and a small 2mm flathead screwdriver to remove the power connector. These are all the necessary items required to properly power up a WTM4000 radio terminal. The following describes how to properly set up the WTM4000 for Power over Ethernet use. To start, locate the port marked GE1 on the WTM4000 and remove the cover. Now take one end of the terminated Ethernet cable that has been fed through a cable gland and firmly connect to GE1 interface. Move the cable gland to the unit and securely tighten to the housing. Finally, ensure that the cable gland is securely sealed to the Ethernet cable. The WTM4000 is shipped with a power connector installed for PoE use. This can be confirmed by removing the power cover and verifying the connector is properly installed with mini jumpers. Take the other end of the Ethernet cable from the WTM4000 and plug it into the PoE injector's output port. Connect another Ethernet cable to the input port that will be going to a computer or terminating equipment. Apply AC or DC power to the PoE injector and the WTM4000 will go through its power-up sequence and be ready to be configured. The following describes how to properly set up the WTM4000 for direct DC use. To start, locate the port marked Power, PWR, on the WTM4000 and remove the cover. Then, using the small 2mm flathead screwdriver, remove the pre-installed connector. Remove the mini jumpers from the connector or replace it with a new one. Feed the power cable through the cable gland and using the wire cutter and strippers, prep the power cable to attach to the connector as per pinout shown. Take the terminated power cable and reattach it to the WTM4000 power terminal. Secure the connector using the 2mm flathead screwdriver. Move the cable gland to the unit and securely tighten to the housing. Finally, ensure that the power cable is securely sealed to the cable gland. Attach the access cable to the desired Ethernet or optical interface on the WTM4000 radio terminal. Finally, apply DC power to the WTM4000 and the unit will go through its power-up sequence and be ready to be configured. More information is available on our website, like configuration guides, manuals, and product ordering guides. You can also follow us on social media for the latest news and instructional videos. Thank you for taking the time to view this video.